Today you're going to use a simulator to answer a couple questions. First, you're going to click on and open the simulator. Press the play button. Come down to the bottom and click ultraviolet. So we have our different types of electromagnetic radiation along the bottom. Microwave, which we're not going to use. Infrared, which means heat. Visible, which means light. And ultraviolet, a wavelength that's just shorter than light. On the right side over here, we have different types of gases that make up the atmosphere. Carbon monoxide, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, nitrogen, and ozone. So right now we have carbon monoxide selected, but we can go through and we can select different molecules that make up our gases. To turn on this light source, you slide this tab, and the energy is represented by those purple balls of light that fly out of the end of the flashlight, we'll call it. Notice how the light is passing through this molecule, oxygen. So when ultraviolet light interacts with oxygen, it just gets transmitted straight through.